What is the 70-20-10 rule? 70% challenging experiences and assignments. This is the lion's share of learning, where individuals gain knowledge and develop skills by tackling difficult tasks and projects. It involves hands-on experience, problem solving, and overcoming obstacles. This could include working on new projects, receiving challenging assignments, or volunteering for stretch opportunities. 20% developmental relationships, social interaction, and learning from others is another significant contributor to development. This includes mentorship, coaching, feedback from colleagues, and collaborating on projects. Bouncing ideas off others, observing experienced professionals, and receiving constructive criticism all play a role in this type of learning. 10% formal training. While formal training programs and courses only make up a smaller portion of learning, they can still be valuable. This could include workshops, seminars, online courses, or reading industry publications. Formal training can provide a foundation of knowledge and introduce new concepts, but it's often most effective when combined with practical experience and social learning. Key points to remember. The 70-20-10 rule is a general guideline, not a rigid formula. The exact percentages may vary depending on the individual and the specific skill being learned. The model emphasizes the importance of creating a learning environment that fosters all three aspects, providing challenging experiences, facilitating mentorship and collaboration, and offering relevant formal training opportunities. Organizations can leverage the 70-20-10 rule to design more effective training and development programs that cater to different learning styles and maximize employee growth.